So there my friends are going to the douche and zooming in over there. A lot of people at the party. And there's the devil, Donabello, aka Zaza. As you can tell, there's a lot going on. People everywhere, and the water is really pretty. And this is what we do when it's hot outside, because it's hot. My friends, Karin and Zaza. People playing in the water over there. I really can't explain to you how hot it is. It's pretty disgusting. And the music playing in the background, I don't know if you can hear it. We call it funky. It's really cool actually. I don't understand what they're saying though. I guess that's the positive. And it's just really pretty out here. In the Exa bar. They serve all kinds of beverages, primarily alcohol, to all the baby girls. Fuck you. And that's the water. It's really pretty. And a lot of fun. I'm sweating right now, so you might catch me in it in a second. Alright. Holler back, players.